Hey everyone, it's Kyle V with the Dub C and Me, and tonight I am getting my drink on over at Lift, the new bar here in Walnut Creek. I just got off of work and was really feeling a burger and cocktail, and no better place to go than Lift. Their happy hour is about 5 to 9 Monday through Wednesday, and you get a burger, fries, and a cocktail for $5. Yep, you heard me right, $5. So right here, we got the chipper burger. It's the best I got. Let's try it. You know, you'd think that the bacon would be overpowering in this burger, but the avocado just kind of bounces everything out and just makes everything work beautifully. It's a perfect harmony of a burger. It's delicious. Comfy spots. I've been sitting here for about 30 minutes now, and my butt still hasn't gone tired, so that's something special. So definitely come here for the atmosphere, come here for the people, come here for the food, but really, come here for the drinks. It's a good burger, plus a cocktail, $5.